Hi, we're here with the new Bradford White Infinity on-demand tankless water heater line. We're going to learn about how it's efficient, saves space, and never runs out of hot water. Let's take a closer look. So let's look at how to set up a standard tankless unit and control an external recirc pump. So I've removed the warning cover, protective cover of the terminal block that exposes my pump relay on the standard model. At that point, I've already wired in my ground and my neutral to my pump, and I'm also going to wire the hot leg now to the circulator. Once that's connected, and again, I only did this with the power off to the unit, I'm now ready to power up the unit with the rocker switch. With the power onto the display, what we now need to do is go into the service level to program the pump. What I'm going to do is power down the display using the lower left-hand button, then push and hold the 4 square button until the display lights back up. At this point, turn to parameter number 11, RC, Recirc, push the center knob. Out of the box, the unit is set to off for controlling an external recirc pump. There's 3 options. I can set it to pulse mode, tidal 24, or on-demand mode. In this case, I'm going to set the pump to pulse mode, confirm by pushing the center knob. Now I'm going to set the number of minutes that the pump is powered. It does this in increments of 5. So 5, 10, or 15. In this case, I'm going to set it to 5 and confirm by pushing the center knob. Now, push the 4 square button to back out to parameter 11. One more time with the 4 square button. The display will shut off. And then simply power up the display. You can see that the pump is operating with the traditional pump insignia here on the right-hand side of the display. At this point, I'll reattach the warning protective cover of my pump terminal, and I'm good to go. So that's how you program and wire a standard tankless unit for control of an external recirc pump.